Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AA Notes channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for video editing. Today, we have something exciting in store for you. We're going to show you how to convert audio to text using the powerful Adobe Premiere Pro 2023. First, let's make sure you have Adobe Premiere Pro 2023 installed on your system. If you don't, go ahead and download and install it. Once you're ready, open up Premiere Pro. Now, let's dive into the steps to convert your audio to text. The first step is to import your video clip into Adobe Premiere Pro. You can do this by right-click and then import. Now, import the audio clip you want to convert to text. Simply drag and drop it into your project timeline. Click Transcribe to start the process. Adobe Premiere Pro will analyze the audio and generate a text transcript. Once the transcription is complete, you can review and edit it to ensure accuracy. You're a designer, content creator, or just someone who wants to take their visual projects to the next level. Finally, export the transcript to a text file for your use. And there you have it. You've successfully converted audio to text using Adobe Premiere Pro 2023. This feature can be a game changer for video editors, making it easier to create captions, subtitles, and more. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy editing.